Hooked and hungry for financial freedom? Start here. Welcome to Financial Mastery Insights, where smart money decisions start. If it feels like your hard-earned cash vanishes the moment it hits your account, you're not alone, and you're not powerless. In today's video, we're exposing 5 sneaky financial habits that silently keep you broke, and more importantly, we'll show you exactly how to break free from them. From impulsive spending to ignoring your savings, these habits could be the reason you're stuck in a financial loop. But here's the good news. We're not just highlighting the problems, we're delivering real solutions. Backed by wisdom from financial titan Tony Robbins, we'll equip you with practical, no-fluff strategies to rewire your mindset and build lasting wealth. Whether you're trying to crush debt, grow your savings, or finally get ahead, this video will give you the tools to take control. So grab your notebook, get ready to shift gears, and let's rewrite your financial story, starting now. Habit 1. Living beyond your means. Let's kick things off by discussing the first habit that can keep individuals poor. Living beyond your means. This is a common pitfall where people spend more than they earn, often leading to debt and financial instability. When you consistently overspend, it becomes nearly impossible to accumulate wealth or save for future goals. Instead of building a financial cushion, you may find yourself trapped in a cycle of debt, which can be incredibly stressful and limiting. So how can you break free from this habit? The first step is to create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses to get a clear picture of where your money's going. Prioritize essential expenses like housing, utilities, and groceries, and allocate a specific amount for discretionary spending. This will help you make informed decisions about your finances and curb unnecessary purchases. Another effective strategy is to set financial goals. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a new car, or an emergency fund, having clear objectives can motivate you to stick to your budget. Additionally, consider using budgeting apps or tools that can help you monitor your spending in real time. Lastly, take a moment to reflect on your spending habits. Are there areas where you can cut back? Maybe it's dining out less or canceling subscriptions you don't use. By identifying these areas for improvement, you can make conscious choices that align with your financial goals. Remember, living within your means is not just about restriction, it's about creating a sustainable path to financial freedom. Habit 2. Lack of financial education. Now let's move on to habit 2, the lack of financial education. This habit is often overlooked, yet it plays a crucial role in hindering wealth accumulation. When individuals don't understand basic financial concepts like investing, saving, and budgeting, they may miss out on opportunities to grow their wealth. Ignorance can lead to poor financial decisions, such as high-interest debt or missed investment opportunities, ultimately keeping you from achieving your financial goals. So how can you improve your financial literacy? One of the best ways is to dive into books that focus on personal finance. Titles like Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and The Total Money Makeover by Dave Ramsey offer valuable insights into managing money effectively. Additionally, there are numerous online courses available on platforms like Coursera and Udemy that cover everything from budgeting basics to advanced investing strategies. Another great way to enhance your financial knowledge is to seek mentorship. Connecting with someone who has experience in managing finances can provide you with personalized guidance and support. Look for local financial literacy groups or workshops in your community where you can learn alongside others who share your goals. Engaging with a community can also keep you motivated and accountable. Whether it's through online forums or local meetups, sharing experiences and tips with others can deepen your understanding of financial concepts. Remember, investing in your financial education is one of the most powerful steps you can take toward building wealth and securing your financial future. Habit 3. Fear of taking risks. Let's explore. Habit 3. The fear of taking risks. This habit can significantly hinder your financial growth, as fear often prevents individuals from seizing valuable opportunities. While it's natural to feel apprehensive about making financial decisions, allowing fear to dictate your choices can lead to missed chances for wealth accumulation and personal growth. It's essential to find a balance between calculated risks and reckless decisions. Taking risks doesn't mean throwing caution to the wind. It involves making informed choices based on research and analysis. For instance, investing in stocks or starting a side business can be daunting, but these actions can lead to substantial rewards if approached thoughtfully. Consider the success stories of individuals who embraced risk and reaped the benefits. Take, for example, the story of Sarah Blakely, the founder of Spanx. She took a leap of faith by investing her savings into her idea, despite having no background in fashion or business. Today, she's a billionaire, proving that calculated risk can lead to incredible success. As you reflect on your own financial journey, it's crucial to evaluate your risk tolerance. Ask yourself what opportunities you might be avoiding due to fear. Are there investments you've hesitated to make, or business ideas you've shelved? By assessing your comfort level with risk, you can start to identify new opportunities that align with your financial goals. Remember, stepping outside your comfort zone can be intimidating, but it's often where the most significant growth occurs. Embrace the possibility of success, and don't let fear hold you back from achieving your financial dreams. Habit 4. Procrastination. Now, let's discuss Habit 4, procrastination. This habit can be a significant roadblock on your journey to financial success. Delaying financial decisions often leads to missed opportunities, whether it's putting off saving for retirement or hesitating to invest in a promising venture. The consequences of procrastination can be severe, as time is a crucial factor in the growth of savings and investments. The longer you wait to start saving or investing, the more potential growth you forfeit due to the power of compound interest. To combat procrastination, it's essential to set clear financial goals and deadlines. Start by defining what you want to achieve, whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debt, or saving for a home. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable steps with specific deadlines. For example, aim to save a certain amount each month or commit to researching investment options by the end of the week. Another effective strategy is to create a financial action plan. Write down your goals, the steps needed to achieve them, and a timeline for completion. This visual representation can serve as a constant reminder of what you want to accomplish and help keep you accountable. Finally, encourage yourself to take immediate action on your financial plans. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start small if necessary. Whether it's opening a savings account or making your first investment, taking that first step can create momentum and motivate you to keep moving forward. Remember, the sooner you act, the closer you'll be to achieving your financial dreams. Habit 5. Surrounding yourself with negative influences. Let's wrap up our discussion with Habit 5. Surrounding yourself with negative influences. The people you spend time with can significantly impact your mindset and ultimately your financial success. Negative mindsets can create a toxic environment that discourages ambition and fosters self-doubt. When you're surrounded by individuals who dismiss financial goals or promote a scarcity mentality, it becomes challenging to cultivate a positive outlook on your own financial journey. Having a supportive network is crucial for financial growth. Surrounding yourself with positive, like-minded individuals can inspire you to set and achieve your financial goals. These supportive relationships can provide encouragement, share valuable insights, and hold you accountable for your progress. So, how can you identify and distance yourself from negative influences? Start by evaluating your current relationships. Are there friends or family members who consistently undermine your financial aspirations? It may be time to set boundaries or limit your interactions with them. This doesn't mean you have to cut ties completely, but being mindful of how their attitudes affect you can help you maintain a more positive mindset. Additionally, seek out positive role models and mentors who can guide you on your financial journey. Look for individuals who have achieved the financial success you aspire to and learn from their experiences. This could be through networking events, online communities, or even social media platforms. Remember, the company you keep can shape your beliefs and behaviors. By surrounding yourself with positive influences, you'll create an environment that fosters growth, motivation, and ultimately, financial success. As we wrap up today's discussion, let's quickly recap the 5 habits that can keep individuals poor and the strategies we explored to break free from them. First, we talked about living beyond your means and how creating a budget can help you prioritize essential expenses. Next, we highlighted the lack of financial education and the importance of seeking resources like books and online courses to enhance your financial literacy. We then examined the fear of taking risks emphasizing the need to balance calculated risks with informed decisions. Following that, we address procrastination and the significance of setting clear financial goals and deadlines to combat it. Finally, we discuss the impact of surrounding yourself with negative influences and the importance of building a supportive network that fosters positive financial growth. Improving your financial habits is not just about awareness, it's about taking action. Each of these habits can be transformed with the right mindset and strategies. Remember, the journey to financial success begins with small, consistent steps. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to engage with our content. Please subscribe to our channel for more insights on personal finance. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and share it with friends or family who might benefit from these tips. Don't forget to explore our related content for even more valuable information on improving your financial habits. Together, we can take charge of our financial futures and work towards achieving our goals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.